think it's creepy. Oh, there goes. You see that truck down there? There goes the volunteer. Probably couldn't see it, but I saw the that road down there is Milby. There's that volunteer too. So we got the siren and the volunteer going. I'm glad I ran back up here, or else I wouldn't be able to see it. It's actually pretty cool. Guess I'll listen for fire trucks later. Dryridge 91. Oh, sunset over there. Oh, jeez. I hear him. I don't know if that's the volunteer or one of the trucks. I heard him. That siren does fast whale. I could hear a fast siren. Apparently the last one of the videos I took of this couple of videos ago of this siren featured a Model 2 in the background also. But I thought it was West Point, but it was actually Pleasant Unity. Because West Point's Model 2 is actually really sick. Probably like a our neighbor's carbon monoxide alarm goes off a lot, so maybe that could also be what's happening. But judging by the distance of those sirens, I don't really think they're coming here. Yeah, I've seen once one of Dry Ridge's trucks go up that hill and up a couple houses down this block because someone's carbon monoxide alarm started to go off. Apparently a storm set it off, or it could have been a fire alarm. It was probably carbon monoxide. The siren used to do normal wail until at one point they must have changed the tone to fast wail. Yeah. Apparently the sirens. Dryridge is closer up to Mount Pleasant. These are some rocks that I'm probably a crash. I really only heard a vehicle siren. It was pretty far off in the distance. Alright.